Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Hilux, SR5 2019 model new cab. What happened is that the car come, with the previous installation from the previous installation that they did the work on the wiring for the spotlights and the front LED spotlights, which is a pair here, and they did the work for the LED light on the roof and the LED light on the side. So the issue was that it worked intermittently, and also the wiring was mess. The wiring really was a mess in the engine bay area, and also on the top of the roof. Everywhere was a mess. Firstly, the wiring for the spotlight was not correctly wired in. It just the lazy installation, so the driver can just press the button next to the right side to turn on the spotlight, and that is not correct. So that is the second thing, is the wiring is very messy. And the next one is that all the joy of the wiring, they actually don't use any secure connection. They just use the finger, twist it in and tape it up in a very unusual way. So at this point, everything already recovered, everything already rewired correctly, and every wire, every fuse and relay already been checked and get into the right place, and correct connection of the front spotlight to the high beam controller. So currently the spotlight only can be turned on after the high beam is turned on. And here all the wiring already lay out in the best place, and also it already get checked everything. So all the joy connection already been soldered properly, and then we get the wiring protection everywhere possible and make it you couldn't see like this before. You couldn't see the protection here before. It was just hanging like spider web on the roof of the car, and everything looks very strange. And the negative point was right on the top of the frame, which now we already relocated to the proper and better one, under the roof, so avoid the water and the rain. So at this moment, the spotlight definitely will be only turned on after the high beam is on, and the side light, it still can be turned on, but it will not hit and miss, because all the joy already been connected correctly, and especially the earth already connect properly into the car. Okay, so the wiring on this side, you can see that is here, wiring protection, and the wiring underneath, everything already done. Well, we're happy with that. And also in this car we do many other work, including CB radio installation. You can look at another video we have. And also we do the rear end soft landing setup for the tailgate. You can see another video we have. And also we do the special setup for the dual battery charger, secret and USB, and battery indicator. This special port was custom built there, and with the switch for the light as well. You can see another videos that we share how to install this one and where we install it. So hopefully this enjoy, and hopefully you enjoy watching our videos. So looking to see you soon in another one. Thank you, and we'll see you then. Have a great day.